Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads certified advertising professional, as well as Facebook Ads certified advertising professional, and as well as owner of a Google partner company. And been working in this field for around 17-18 years to be exact. And we have been working with clients regarding Google Ads, Facebook Ads, audit, setup management, even for SEO, even for landing page. So in case if you need any of the service, you can hire us through the link in the description. Today I'm here again with an amazing case study, and that is regarding Google Ads for traveling agency. And if there is a traveling or airlines or flights website, usually it gets suspended, and the client we had got their account suspended for circumventing systems. And that circumventing system is one of the toughest, hardest Google suspension error which you have to see or which you have to face while working with Google Ads. And for those who don't know, Google Ads are a very famous online advertising platform. So what exactly happened, and I'm going to tell you in this video on what we did, what was the case, and the TAT turnaround time, how we took, and how we did it. So again, it was possible with the client support, client patience, because patience of the client and understanding to changes is also very necessary part of our working. So what we did, let me show you. So here you can see the original, they tried to appeal themselves, and that appeal was also get rejected. And you can see over there that this is what they did. And this was another email from them, and you can see the customer ID as well. So I'm going to make sure you that the customer ID matches with the real account, so you guys have an idea that the account was suspended for circumventing system. So you can see over here that circumventing system is an error, and there is another email, and you can see that the account got your account violated the circumventing system policy error, and your account is suspended. So when the client came to us, what we did was we asked them to give the suspension copies. We tried to understand what's the suspension error and why. We also discussed about if they had any other accounts, if they had any other suspended accounts, if they have a background of suspended accounts. We discussed those, and then we discussed about some of the competitors on traveling, flight, industry. What are the competitors who you feel are your competitors, and if they are running well, how long they are running well, what inspired you to come in the business. And then we asked for the business verification, that are you guys are working in a real, or is it scamming. We made sure for that the website is not scamming. And then we did our audit process. We started our audit process. We looked on the account, we looked on the account pattern, and you can see that the spike means that the account was got suspended early. No, so it didn't work out on a long account, or it was not an old account. Usually old accounts are slightly less restrictive, and usually you can run ads for a little period of longer period of time. And once they appealed, and we asked on what sort they tried to appeal, and for instance, you can see over here that they got this appeal error, and reviewing the case, what made them to appeal, and what changes they did, they thought that will make you compliant on why you did an appeal, and how you confident. And then we overview through the payment page, fund policy page. We overview, even have to check the coding issues, even have to check for any plugin issues as well, any null plugin issues, any language issues. We checked over that. We also worked on the speed of the website, because speed is also, even if it's not a suspension factor, it's a conversion factor, that your conversions can be affected due to poor speed. And I also said that a second late is a second loss, so we worked on that as well. And we worked on the issues, and now I'm going to show you the account with you guys. So here we are in the account. You can cross check with the customer ID, and the spending, it's similar. The account, you can see none of your ads are running, and you can also see that your account is unsuspended. Your account has been reactivated and is able to run ads again. You might need to update your billing information before your ads can run again. So yeah, it's an amazing case study. And if you ask me the time frame it took, so it took around 7 to 8 days, but that we usually ask for 2 to 3 weeks Also the client came to us was like, I wanted to get it as done and solved as soon as possible, but that these things takes time and patience. And I said that I cannot guarantee you early approvals, because anything if you try to do early can even do more harm than benefit to your account and to your online campaign. And I do not want your IP or billing details to get blacklisted. So yeah, it's an amazing experience of getting Google Ads account restored, unsuspended. And in case if you are looking to get your Google Ads account unsuspended for any niche we gladly work with, you are more than welcome to get in through the description in this video. And what interesting I'm gonna tell you is that the client has made a contract to work with us in terms of campaign management, campaign setup. So it's a pleasure having or winning a client over here, and we look forward to work with them in a longer collaboration term. So it was actually a pleasure for us to work with them. So in case if you guys are looking to for these kind of services, even for SEO or even for landing pages, we will be gladly able to help you. And make sure to subscribe to this channel in case if you are looking to watch these kind of videos. I hope you find this video helpful. In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And in case if you're looking for the niche, so they were targeting top tier countries. Top tier means USA, UK, top tier countries where the client was working. And it was a pleasure working with them. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. And again, it's a team effort, not a single effort. So it's all team effort. So thank you.